What is up, you guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you all are new here, welcome to my channel. So today I will be basically trying on some new products. I have the Give Me Glow Down to Earth palette. Try out the new blush from Give Me Glow. I'm also going to try out this skin tint. Got some powder here that I want to try. I bought this last year. I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, we got a few things that we will be trying. Start off with my eyebrows. Now this is a new eyebrow pencil from NICKA. This is their micro square eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. I love that it's on a slant. And this formula is so soft. I have used this for like 2 weeks now. It's so soft. I really like it. I'm going to carve out my brows. I'm going to try, this is also a new product from NICKA. I'm going to try out their new concealer. This is their Hydro Stay Concealer. This is in the color Almond. Oh. Okay, what is that? I hope, do I have a, is that the applicator? Okay, let me open the other one. Oh no, they're like, it's like a spatula. Okay, we're gonna try it. It feels very thin, so I don't know how much coverage it's gonna give you, but it feels very thin. Oh yeah. Just right off back, just filling out my, like carving out my brows. Is very thin. And it's not giving me that much coverage. Medium to full coverage. I don't know, I'm gonna keep going. I'm just gonna use the rest of that and just use it on my eyelid primer. Yeah, it's like literally wiping away. I don't like that, NICKA. I don't like that. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer. It looked like I didn't put anything on my lid. Alright, so now we're gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna use the Earth palette from Give Me Glow. Start off with this color right here, Red Clay. This is such a pretty color. Red Clay. This color right here called Bat Cave, that dark brown. Just put that in my crease. I'm just stamping the color down. I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm gonna cut my crease with the e.l.f. concealer, color Fair Warm. I always use this. If I'm not using this, I'm using the LA Colors white concealer. Okay, so the crease is cut. We're gonna go back into the Down to Earth palette, and I want to take this color right here. This is called Sweet Sage. I will swatch it. We're gonna put that on the lid. I think that's gonna be pretty. That's what it look like. And that's why I put the white base down, because I wanted this color to pop. Ooh, can you all even see it? I turned my light down so you guys can maybe see the color a little bit better. I'm just gonna pack this color on. Pack it on as much as I can. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It is a really pretty, like, sage kind of color, like a minty green sagey color. Is sagey a word? Like sage kind of color. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take this color called Douglas HR. I think that's what this is. I'm gonna take that color and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. That's just like a dark green shade, and put it on the outer corner. Just kind of help blend in that sagey green color. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect, perfect. That's pretty. Can you see that? Good. You can see it now. That is so freaking cute. Eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Sistar Beauty. I like this. This is their Ultra Black Gel Pot Liner, and I'm gonna use that. All right. So for primer, I'm gonna try out the NICKA Blur Grip Blurring and Mattifying Primer. I haven't tried this yet. I literally just took the plastic off. Okay, that's what the formula looks like. So it says it blurs too. Like instantly I feel it becoming very matte. It's not drying, but you feel it. All right, so now I'm gonna try on the LA Color Skin Tint, the color Chestnut. It's a tinted foundation. This is the color, so they don't look too bad. Ooh, it has a strong smell to it. Oh, I don't like that smell. It smells like laboratory or like chemicals or something. It's supposed to give you a natural finish. Color doesn't look bad. It looks very luminous. Not, I don't want to say luminous, but like a radiant look. I see it right here, right here. So definitely have to powder down. The finish looks pretty nice. I'm not mad at it. Yeah, it's thin. That is thin. Supposed to be hydrating. It's definitely going to crease underneath my eyes because I do have lines underneath my eyes. Actually, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. What y'all think? I'm going to try this out again. If you watch my episode, my beauty supply store episode, I tried this out. The Absolute New York Hydra Glow Water-Based Setting Powder. This is the Kiss New York Blurring Press Powder, and this has a soft matte formula, and I got the color Deep Honey. I'm gonna try out the Cara Beauty Natural Glow Scope Bronzer Balm. This is what it looks like. Oh, that was a lot. But I like that. Ooh. And it's very, like, the formula feels like it's not tugging on the skin or anything. It's very creamy. Not overly creamy, but I'm not having a hard time blending that in also. And I'm just using a Morphe brush. This Morphe, right? Yeah, Morphe E63. I don't know if they still sell it, but they definitely have another brush like this. I'm gonna use my NARS. This is in Laguna 08. Just gonna use that. Now I'm gonna use the new Give Me Glow Dream Matte blush. This is in the color Cowboy Carter. Wait, no. Cowboy Copper. And this is kind of gonna, it's probably gonna mimic like a blush. Not a blush, but a bronzer. Like it's gonna kind of mimic that. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, and it's pigmented, so I definitely added a lot. It's really pretty though. I like that. So I'm gonna go back in Bat Cave. I'm gonna go back in Bat Cave. And I'm gonna put that underneath here just to kind of smoke that out. Then I'm gonna take red clay. And I'm gonna take red clay to blend out that bottom, that brown that I just put. I'm actually gonna try these eyelashes from Ione. I got these from Dollar Tree. These are pre-glued strip lash. Oh, it went right on. And I like this because it's so much, much more quicker. But it's like once you put it down, you got to make sure you put it where you want to put it. We're going to go back into the palette. I'm going to take one of these shimmers and put it in my inner tear duct. But I don't know which one. I kind of want to do this one. This one is called what did I say? Sparkling Stream. It's not really, ooh, that would have been cute all over the eye. It's not really a shimmer. Ooh. Wow. Okay, let's do that one. All right, I'm gonna spray my face. So the NICKA K primer comes with a setting spray. I mean, you buy it separately, but it's the same thing. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, it's coming out so lightly. I like that. It's not aggressive or anything. I'm actually gonna use one of the ColourPop lip glosses. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place brown lip liner in Cola. This one is called Major Throwback. I'm using the Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola. Then ColourPop. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Look at that. Okay, ColourPop. But I wanted to use a highlighter. We got to start back using highlighters, okay? This is the Rare Beauty, and I've been thinking about it. I used it a few times when I first got it, like a few years ago. But this is in the color Flaunt. Did it come out? I think it came out in 2023. Oh, wow. Well, look at that. It's from Rare Beauty. Ooh, look at that. Let's do the nose. We gotta do the nose. Like, why not? So this is the final look, you guys. I love how everything turned out. I'm actually kind of shocked by this. It does look like, I don't know, it could be this bronzer, like, because I did go a little ham with the bronzer. But I don't know why it's looking like it's oxidizing just a little bit. But it doesn't look bad. The coverage is actually nice. Like, it's not bad. The concealer, just not concealer, this lip gloss. The concealer, I didn't have high hopes for it because it didn't give that much coverage when I was, not that I need coverage around my eyebrows, but I do like a clean canvas kind of look around my brows, like, you know, like I just got it waxed or something, and you know, sometimes your eyebrows grow in, and you want to kind of cover up those, you know, stubby hairs, but it didn't do much there. But underneath the eyes, I felt like it blended out really nicely. So this is just something I have to keep trying. I will try this outside, but the mattifying, this feels really, really good. I'm excited to keep trying this. This feels really, really good. The NICKA K Blur Grip and mattifying primer and spray. The powder, I knew I was gonna like. Blush, pretty beautiful color. Oh, this I do like. I just used too much of it. Lip gloss. This color in particular. The other color seems a little bit on the pinky side, but this color pop. And last but not least, the palette. The palette. Yes. The eyes is pretty. I knew this sage, like minty green color was gonna give. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I really like that. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, thumbs up this video, and I'll talk to you guys in a new video. Bye.